How-to video. What year is this truck, do you know?
2011.
2011 F150 XLT brake job. It's going to be a how-to video. It's very easy. Alright, so all you got to do is... Camera's dirty. Just take the 2 bolts off from here, pop the caliper off, and then just C-clamp those 2. And then you'll put the new pads on. Why is my camera so blurry? There we go. Slide those into the pins. Almost got it done.
Is it gonna work?
Yeah, it's already almost done.
What did I sell you yesterday anyway?
Who?
Huh?
Who'd you sell what?
What?
That was Trayvon.
I can't hear you.
You sold Trayvon a watch yesterday.
I know, I sold you something too.
Oh, no, I didn't get it yet, but it's the metal detector.
Oh, that was $30. I thought you took it home with you.
No, it's still upstairs.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I didn't want to grab it until I gave you the money.
So when you gonna do that, today?
Yeah.
You gotta watch him, Tobes.
He want that free 99?
What's that?
Does he want that free 99?
I told him that I'll pay him before I...
My problem is, I forget.
That's how you change the brakes.
Nowadays people change up.
That's it.
When they see that Benjamin come, till them haters give them breadcrumb. At the top is where I'm dashed on. Until I die I'm gonna be extra.